Okay, let's talk about the Bitcoin price. I'm going to zoom in here, and it's good news. It's good news for the short or medium term at the moment. Bitcoin's currently sitting at 23,623, and we've actually broken out here. So I just want to show you exactly what I'm looking at here. These are the trend lines, the important trend lines that I'm looking at. So this is the last cycle all-time high. We hit about 19,500 in the 2017 high. So we're looking at that level there. That's a big, strong trend line here. A lot of people are saying we hit the bottom here at 17,600. I personally don't think that's the case. I think we're headed lower than that. But for the short term, this is really good news. So we haven't actually been above about 22,800 for about a month here. It keeps hitting these levels, but we've actually broken out of this wedge here. So we've broken out of the green wedge here. You can see that there, and you can see it's been really positive since then. And the thing that I'm looking at here is we're using this trend line here, this price as a support. So we've hit that 28,800 level as a support, and we're headed up to these levels. I think headed up to about 30,000. But the issue here is this possible danger zone. So if we scroll out, this is the main trend line from our November high. Our November high was 69,000 here, and you can see we've drawn a trend line to where we hit in April. And this is where I think there's some strong resistance. So I think we're going to go a bit higher, but I think this is a danger zone. But if we do break above that and we start using that as a test, then we're headed higher. But I don't think, given the macroeconomic conditions, I don't think we're going to be breaking that. I think we're headed lower. I think we're definitely in a bear market. And it's going to continue for a while. But for the short term, there are some trades to be taken here. It's really good news. Basically, we've broken out of this wedge here. We've broken out of this strong resistance we were facing, used it as support, and I think we've got some clear runs here until we start hitting this trend line. So do keep an eye on this. See whether you'd like to add this to your trading setup to see where we're looking at. But it's positive. It's positive. So I will record future videos to see if there's any altcoins we're looking at. But to be honest, the altcoin market is looking a bit shaky. I would say it's looking a bit shaky. I'm focusing on Bitcoin at the moment. The NFT market's collapsing. So really, at the moment, I want to be focusing on what Bitcoin's doing. It will affect the rest of the market, but it is positive for the short term. So if you got value from that content, make sure you subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.